In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invites on Teachable. If you're bringing students into your Teachable school, sending a proper invite ensures they can create their account securely and access the right course without confusion. You'll need access to the admin dashboard to do this. Once you're in, head to the Users section and open the Students area. This page lists everyone currently in your school and gives you controls for adding new learners. Look toward the top right and click the Add Students button. A form will appear where you'll enter the student's name and email address. Take a moment to double-check the email for typos. It's the key to their invite and account creation. You'll see an option to set a password yourself or leave the password field blank. If you leave it blank, Teachable automatically emails the student a secure sign-up and confirmation link so they can set their own password. This is often the simplest and most secure path. If you decide to set a password, share it with the student in a secure way and encourage them to change it after they log in. You'll also notice a checkbox labeled Enroll these students into a product. In Teachable, product refers to courses and similar offerings. If you already know where the student should land, enable that checkbox and select the specific course. This saves time and ensures that the moment they accept the invite and create their account, they'll see the correct content in their dashboard. If you prefer, you can skip enrollment here and focus only on sending the invite. When everything looks good, click Import to finalize the invite. Teachable immediately sends the student an email with the invite or confirmation link. From their perspective, they open that email, click the link, and either create their account with a new password or log in using the password you set. After that, they'll be able to access your school, and if you enrolled them during the process, the selected course will be waiting for them. If the student doesn't see the email right away, remind them to check spam or promotions folders and give it a few minutes in case of normal delivery delays. Keeping your school name recognizable and consistent helps students identify your messages quickly. That's all it takes. Go to Users and Students, add the student with their name and email, decide on the password approach, optionally enroll them in a product, and click Import. Your student is on their way into your Teachable school.